Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and oh my god, I've been out for so long. I am so sorry that I haven't been on in so long, which I apologize, you guys. And the reason being was that I was sick. When I do get sick, I get super bad. And I also was going through personal family stuff that I wanted to take care of, and I was focusing on my family, and as well I was going through things myself as well. Like, these hormones are no joke, you guys. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. I was browsing through Instagram. I seen that GLAMLITE had released a pizza palette, and I was just like, oh my god, this is so creative. Let me go ahead and show you guys the packaging. It's like super cute. This is the packaging the palette comes in. As you guys can see, it has the name of the company up here. It has the name of the palette, which is a pizza palette. It's actually like a pizza box. The back of the palette, it does have, of course, it has a little bit about the palette, and of course their social media. Let me go ahead and take it out of this little plastic bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the pizza box on the side. So this is a palette right here, you guys. Is a bit heavy, like Jesus, it's actually huge. It's heavy, oh my god, and it's the size of my face. Look at this palette. Let's see, the back of the palette has little information back here, and it says right here, warning, do not eat. So yes, you guys, this is not edible if you guys are wondering. So yeah, don't eat the shadows, you guys, because that might be a bad idea. Anyways, this is a huge mirror that you could of course use to put on the shadows, and ooh, I like it that you're able to actually fold it back, which is nice. It does come with this plastic protector, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. And these are the shades right here. It has red onion, bacon, garlic, pineapple, mushrooms, extra cheese, green peppers, pepperoni. They have a little bit of every topping that you could think of. I wonder if this pizza is keto friendly. This is so cute. Like, I'm excited to create a beautiful fun look with this palette. Okay, you guys, before anything, I already went ahead and applied my foundation off camera. I also went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera to speed the process. As my eyeshadow base, I'm actually using a concealer, which is this one right here. This one by Makeup Revolution, and this one's the shade C8. And I went ahead and applied this all over my lid. Now first, I'm gonna go ahead and use some translucent powder and apply it underneath the eye, just in case if there is any fallout. Now first, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Bacon, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the crease area. As you can see, this is the amount of shadow the brush picks up. Wow, that is so pigmented. Now using the shade Extra Cheese, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the shadow out. Now using the shade Garlic, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Now using the shade Meatballs, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the outer V of the eye. Now using some concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the lid area. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Pineapple, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the lid area where I applied the concealer. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of the shade Extra Cheese and apply this underneath the lower lash line. I'm also gonna go ahead and use the shade Meatballs and apply this underneath the lower lash line, blending it with the shade Extra Cheese. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some red onion. I hope I don't cry because I cry every time I cut onions. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this underneath the eye. JK guys, don't put any onions on your eyes. So this is what I have so far for the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So this is what I have so far for the eyes. Now next I'm gonna go ahead and apply some translucent powder underneath the eye because I'm gonna start baking. Next, using the Profusion highlight and contour palette, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Warm Sculpt and bronze the face. I'm also gonna go ahead and apply some translucent powder underneath the contour. Now next I'm gonna go ahead and use the Profusion Mixed Metals palette, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna be using the shade Serene and of course apply this on the apples of the cheek. Now next I'm gonna go ahead and remove the translucent powder. Now next I'm gonna go ahead and apply some setting spray. Now for that I'm gonna be using the Urbandecay-All All Nighter and of course apply this all over the face. So for highlight we're actually gonna be using the Ofra Midi palette, which is this one right here. And let me go ahead and open it. And these are the shades that come in this palette. Star Island, Billy, it's the middle one, and then Blissful is this one right here. And using a fan brush I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Blissful and apply this on the high points of the cheek. I'm also gonna go ahead and apply some highlight on the bridge of my nose. I kind of want to add some on the inner corner of the eye. And I kind of want to apply some on the brow bone area. Now next I'm gonna go ahead and use the Profusion Matte Lip Cream in the shade Matte Nude, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lips. So this concludes today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video of me creating this look. And let me let you guys know that this palette works so nicely. I was able to create this beautiful fun look for you guys. And I'm actually obsessed with this look. I hope you guys do recreate it. Now I'm actually hungry. I'm craving a keto pizza with all these beautiful toppings. All the products that I used in this video will be linked down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel and joining the fam. I know I've been gone for so long, well, like a month I think it was, but I'm actually back. And for those of you guys that are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. This means so much that you guys are still here with me, and this means so much to me as well. And if you guys are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the little subscribe button down below, as well as hit the little notification button right next to it so you could be alerted whenever I upload a new video. And yes, I also do have social media, which I'll be leaving all those links down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And yes, you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and until next time, be careful, be safe. Bye guys. Now using the shade Extra Cheese, is extra cheese? Now using the shade Extra Cheese,